Hello and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate the deregistration process for a sole trader, individual taxpayer, and non-individual taxpayer, government bodies, embassy and international organizations. The deregistration process will be applicable for TIN deregistration, business closure, branch closure and tax type deregistration. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the deregistration tile. Here, you will have to select Taxpayer Deregistration. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instructions page, where you need to read and declare that you have read and understood the instruction by ticking on the checkbox. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. In this step, you will see that the TIN number, name of the taxpayer, and issued date of TIN will be pre-populated. You'll need to select Yes or No for the question, do you want to deregister your TIN? If you select Yes, then select the deregistration reason from the drop-down and enter the date. Now you have to save the form by clicking on Save button and upload the supporting documents as evidence for the TIN deregistration. Once uploaded, continue to the next step where you will be navigated to Deregistration of Business Name section. You will note that all data is auto-populated on the form. If you forget to upload the attachment, the system will pop up an error message. Now, click on the attachment button and upload evidence for the business name deregistration. Click on Continue to Next Step in order to move to Branch Deregistration section. All the data is pre-populated on the form. If you forget to upload the attachment, the system will pop up an error message. Click on the attachment button and upload evidence for branch deregistration. Once uploaded, continue to the next step where you will be navigated to Tax Type Deregistration section and data will be auto-populated on the form. Again, if you forget to upload the attachment, the system will pop up an error message. Click on the attachment button and upload evidence for Tax Type Deregistration. Click Continue to the next step where you will be navigated to the declaration page. Here, you'll need to enter the TIN of the declarant. Tick the declaration checkbox and click on Submit button to submit the form. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.